All right, for 3.14, we're going to look at while loops and if else. This is for Robot C, but I will be referencing for Vex VR also. So what does it do? It allows you to repeat. Okay, the main word while, whether you're using, and I'll show you what it looks like in Vex VR. The green is just for me and you, but everything in the brackets is what the condition, if you want it to run continuous or whatever you want it to do. So we use the word while, and then what do you want happening? Continuous, if you're pressing something, whatever it may be. Okay, the condition controls what's happening. While true, while 1 equals 1, usually is what we use to just say, hey, keep checking, keep repeating whatever command is happening in the curly braces or within the while structure. So it uses logic, yes or no, true or false. Okay, there's lots of different things that we can be doing, but know that there has to be a condition. There's a lot. Okay, so in this case, here's an example. While you are not pressing the bump switch, meaning 0 means you're not pressing it. 1 would be, yes, you are pressing it. This is what's going to happen. Let's just see. So while the sonar is greater than 50, the left motor is going to be running. Okay. So there's a couple different things what these things mean. The and means while both things are happening, you can give it a range. So there's a lot of different decisions you can do. There's also timers in both Robot C and Vex VR, and I'll show you both, but timers can say looping, meaning keep looking for it. Timers can say only go when the timer is here, or it can take, chances, or like here's an example. You always want to clear the timer. Vex VR is a little different. While the timer is less than 30,000 or 30 seconds, this will be happening. If you're pressing the bump switch, run the right motor at half speed. If you're pressing the limit switch, run the right motor at half speed the other direction. If none of these are being pressed, don't run the motor. Me talking is kind of talking through what is happening in the program. So again, you need the while this is happening a condition, and then you can have if this happens a condition, this will run, else something else will run. So if else statements can flow within the while. So you can have a lot going on at one time. The main thing is though, make sure you're looking at your flow charts. So let's take a look at this one. While 1 equals 1, meaning it's going to continuously run. If you're pressing the bump switch, the right motor will run at half speed. If not, it won't be running. If you're pressing the limit switch, it'll run at this speed, the other direction. It's just again explaining it. Here's some more examples, but if you're doing robots, so you really need to line up the brackets. Okay, that's one advantage of Vex VR. You don't have to worry about that as much. All right, let's see, the and we talked about that. Let's actually get into the programs themselves. So if we take a look at 3.14 in the Robot C, you're going to learn about the while loop and the if-else statements. Please, again, name your programs part 1, 2, 3, and the activity 3.14, putting comments with your name on it. If you are taking a look at the while loops for it will look like this. While 1 equals 1 or forever can also loop, an infinite loop. And here's another example. While this is happening, that it's less than or greater than 1,000, the pen will write green. While it's greater than 500, the pen will write blue. Okay. Again, these comments gray are just between me and you. Okay. All right. Have fun with it. So you should be able to understand the while loop and start to experience some more programming abilities. And then also, then 3.15 will even get even more exciting. And then you'll be ready for possible video game.